I was invited to attend the launch by the President and former Prime Minister on Thursday, the start of the collection of signatures. At the last minute, the organizing committee sent messages to many of us who were invited that the meeting had been postponed, another date will be set. No reasons were given, and I don't want to speculate. I believe that another date will be set. But in sync with your question, if the postponement of that event was to continue seeking and generating greater consensus, it's a good thing. Because we have just said here that there is no view of any Kenyan that is not useful. There's no view of any Kenyan that we can just sweep under the carpet. And to the extent that we have had very respected organs and organizations such as the Catholic Church speaking loudly and saying, hey man, where we are going, we are misstepping. We must listen to them. And I think if the President postponed this event because of the missteps that others have noticed, then it is important that we support and see that whatever document we have, it must unite Kenyans. This country has had a deficit of unity for far too long. We've killed each other and destroyed property because of elections. I want to go to an election where the winner doesn't take it all and the loser doesn't walk away hungry. We want an election where when we finish, everybody says it was a good fight, I'll live to fight again, so that we can pull our country together. So if that was the reason for the postponement, it's a good reason. If there are other reasons, I believe that there must be good reasons too.